My name's Catherine Bird. I'm the Chief Financial Officer of Coppermine Capital. We are a family office. We were on QuickBooks, the hosted version, but we have 95 entities, so managing 95 entities was just getting to be impossible. We just found the minute that you guys got involved, the whole process just ran better. Your team was so helpful. We just felt like we were getting answers and we understood issues and that things were moving. And prior to that, things just didn't seem to be moving. Because you guys didn't come in at the beginning, I don't think our implementation would have been successful. Bringing you guys in completely improved our whole implementation. Implementation is going to be painful no matter what. Working through your historical data actually improves your implementation. And while we were working through the mapping and all of that work that was required to bring the historical data in, so many things came up that hadn't been addressed. We would be dealing with all those problems now while we were technically live. We're such a small team. There's only 3 of us. I just don't think we would have ever had the time to be able to get up and running. It just would have taken us years. We find ourselves going back to historical data like a lot. My whole interaction with your team and your company has been so incredibly positive. Everyone I've met has stuck to the deadlines they said they were going to stick to, and it's all been very, very successful. I don't even like to think about how this process would have gone if we hadn't had your team involved. It's become so clear to me that without this exercise, I just don't think we would have a system set up that was workable for us. Working with you makes you have to think about your historical data, map your historical data, and without that, I think it's very hard to build the architecture for the new system without looking at your old system and thinking about how you would put it into the new system. I would recommend platform transitions. Your knowledge of not only Intacct, but other systems that are interfacing with Intacct and how to resolve issues that come up along the way between different system interactions. I just think you guys are one of the best vendors I've ever worked with. Everybody was incredibly knowledgeable, down to earth, very easy to work with, super available. It just was an all-around very, very positive experience.